Hello children, welcome to Brainbox. Today we'll learn about wild animals. So the first animal here it's a lion. Do you know lions are also known as carnivore mammal, and they are known as carnivore because they don't eat grass or plants, but they eat flesh of other animals. And a baby lion is known as a cub. And how long do a lion live? How long are they alive on earth? So they live for around 10 to 14 years. Now let's see which is the next slide that we have here. So the next animal that we have here is a zebra. So a zebra is also a mammal, that is it can feed milk to its younger ones. And here zebra is a herbivore, meaning to say they eat only grass and plants, leaves. They don't eat other animal flesh. And a baby zebra is known as a foal. Say it aloud, foal. And the lifespan of a zebra is around 20 years. So they live on earth for around 20 years. Now let's see which is the next animal. It's a tiger. So a tiger is also a carnivore and a mammal like the lion. And a baby tiger is also known as a cub. But do you know how many years do a tiger live? How many years are they alive on earth? So they live for around 15 years. So now let's see which is the next animal that we have in Brainbox for you. So the next animal that we have for you is none other than but the jaguar. So the jaguar is also a mammal and it is a carnivore just like a lion and a tiger. A baby jaguar is known as cub. And when I searched for like how long do a jaguar live on our earth, so the time span for which they live is around 12 to 15 years. So that's the maximum years that a jaguar will live in, will be alive. And children, have you seen a jaguar in any of the zoo? So let's see which is the next animal that we have. The next animal is a red panda. They are really beautiful and they are also mammals and they are herbivores like a zebra. So now you know what a herbivore is. A herbivore is an animal which does not eat flesh. It's an animal which eats only plants and grasses. Now a baby red panda is known as a cub and the lifespan of a red panda is 14 years. So basically a red panda will live on our earth for 14 years. Now the next animal that we have is it's an elephant. An elephant is also a mammal and it's a herbivore. So can you remember what did I say mammals are? So mammals are animals which can feed milk to its younger ones. That's a baby elephant. So in our case, a calf is fed milk by its mother elephant. And how long do a elephant live? Oh my god, it's around 60 years. So we human beings live for around 80 years and an elephant lives for around 60 years. So hope you like this video and learn new things from it. If you have learned something new, then please subscribe to our channel Brainbox.